In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Constant Contact in Salesforce 2025 step by step. We'll start inside Salesforce by going to App Exchange because that's where you can find the Constant Contact integration. Search for the Constant Contact package, then begin the installation. As you install it, make sure you grant access to the appropriate users so the right team members can use the integration. Then simply follow the installation prompts until everything is complete. Once the package is installed, open the Constant Contact app from within Salesforce. From there, go to Settings or Account Connections, depending on the version you see. Click Connect Account, sign in to your Constant Contact account, and authorize Salesforce to access your Constant Contact data. This connection is what allows both platforms to work together, so make sure the authorization finishes successfully before moving on. Next, configure your data sync. This is where you decide which Salesforce records you want to send over, such as contacts, leads, campaign members, and custom objects, if your setup supports them. After that, map your fields between Salesforce and Constant Contact. Common examples include first name, last name, email address, company, and any custom fields you rely on. Accurate field mapping is important because it keeps your contact data organized and ensures personalization works properly in your emails. When everything looks right, save the mappings. Now create your marketing list. In Salesforce, build a report or a list view that contains the audience you want to target. Select the records you want to market to, then sync or export them to a Constant Contact list. After that, verify that the contacts appear correctly in Constant Contact. This quick check can help you catch missing records or mapping issues before you send anything. From there, log into Constant Contact and create your email campaign. Click Create, then Email Campaign, and choose a template that fits your goal. Customize the subject line, header image, content blocks, and call to action buttons. Once the email looks the way you want, save the campaign. Next, choose the synced list from Salesforce as your recipients. Review the recipient count carefully and remove anyone who should not receive the message. Before sending, send a test email to yourself and review the formatting, links, mobile responsiveness, and personalization fields. This is one of the most important parts of the process because even a well-designed email should always be tested before launch. When you're ready,